support us and everyone working on ground as much as possible, because it's not me doing it, it's not Hemkund Foundation doing it, ये आप लोग ही करवा रहे हो हमसे. We just a zaria, I would say. The experience is really overwhelming, I would say. There's a lot to do, but you can't do much as well, because the demand and supply is totally off track.
Yeah.
So we are simply trying to do as much as Hemkund Foundation can do, but at the end, it's all possible with everyone's support, because it's not just our project, it's everyone's project, and that's how we operate. For example, Delhi Capital's coming in. That's how we have always functioned, and we'll always continue to do so, because at the end, our motto is Sarbat Da Bhala, welfare for all. And to do the welfare of all, you obviously need everyone's support. So that is how we work, and my experience has always been that एक कोई single इंसान नहीं project चला सकता. It's all about everyone coming together. So I've realized that unity is an important role. Without unity, you can't do much. Right now, the entire nation is with us, and that is why we're able to execute all our projects. So I'm fortunate enough to have a very, very amazing team, and we have back-end volunteers as well. We have a procurement team, we have a logistics team, we have a research team. Before we go on ground, there are people who do the survey first, and we have 12 people constantly on the phone who are attending SOS calls. We have people who are constantly looking at our social media, and they're all volunteers. No one's paid here, so we don't have a single employee as of today in Hemkund Foundation, and that is how we've always functioned. So we have a strong base of volunteers, people coming in from abroad as well to volunteer with us. And yeah, everyone's the same here. There's not a lot of hierarchy, just the management and just the team. We have a very informal structure, and that is why we're able to execute a lot, because the environment here is like family. सब एक साथ रह रहे हैं, एक साथ खा रहे हैं, we're all together. So we all travel together as well. So there's no, I would say, hierarchy as such, which you see in a lot of corporates. That's not how we function. We are as a family, and इसलिए we can function in long term because we are so close knit together. We know if someone's lagging, there's always someone to hold you and take care of you. So it's all because of the teamwork, and whatever we do, the credit goes to the entire team, because everyone is good in their specific areas, and we obviously identify the strength and weaknesses of each person, and hence put them in a designated role. That takes a toll on our mental health. To be honest, we guys don't open our phones. We don't even switch them on. The last time I logged on to my own Twitter was, I think, a month ago. Because the moment we log on to social media, we realize what's actually happening. Because abhi we're in a shell. We're completely focused. The moment we actually take the time out to actually do something different, we know our efficiency is going to go down, and it will get hampered. So it will hamper our work at the end. But all the volunteers, if you see all the team, we don't even have the time to actually watch the news. And I would say it's actually, we're fortunate enough that we don't have the time, because the moment we do, it does affect everyone. But we constantly take inspiration from history. If you just look at the way Seva has been happening since the past 400 years, ये कोई ऐसे तो नहीं कि हम एक साल से शुरू कर रहे हैं. If you look at history, it's always been there. So we simply take inspiration from our history itself, and we know the amount of impact we are actually making on ground zero. It's basically 1 versus 100. You're actually saving hundreds of lives daily. Each volunteer is actually saving hundreds of lives. So we know the amount of impact, and that is our inspiration. When we get calls from patients, after a week, that we're all safe, we're all good, we've actually stepped out of our house. So that is our inspiration. For example, we had a pregnant lady coming in a day before, and she was 9 months pregnant. She was COVID positive as well. We dropped her to the hospital, and next morning we get an image of the delivery of the child. So that's the best thing you can actually see, that you've saved 2 lives with just one person. So we know the amount of impact we're actually making on ground is just on another level.